Buyur buyur abi geç. Hop hop hop hop hop hop. Tutun abi bana. Hop pardon. Dur arkana geçeyim ben.
Bana tutun abi.
Tamam. 1 2 3.
1
2 3. Hop. Aman abi.
İyi misin?
İyi misin abi? Var mı bir şeyin?
Appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
You're good, you're good, you're good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You had it, dog. Oh.
Getting pissed off now.
Oh. You get you?
Get it.
This morning, I wanted to try to stop and do something nice for someone else. I do like this. Hey man, how's it going? My name's Andrew. Hey, I just had a couple bottles of water and some snack bars with me. Would that be something that might help you out a little bit? Alright, man. There you go. I commute with my wife sometimes to work, and I see you're out here like every morning, aren't you? Yeah, that's cool. One of those is cold if you want it now. I know it's already humid out there, but I hope that helps you out a little bit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, what's your name?
Alan.
Alan? Alright, man, it's nice to meet you. If I'm driving by, I might beep at you now and again and wave, okay? But that's just me, alright? Yeah, thanks, man, thanks. I thought it would be easier to pull up here on the bike than in the car, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. Alright, man, I hope that you have a great day, okay? It was nice to meet you, Alan.
God, poor little turtle. Poor little turtle. I will help you, you little turtle. Save the turtle. Go, turtle, go. Yeah. Ah! Thank goodness he didn't pee on me. There you go, turtle. Yeah, there you go, turtle. Turtle, turtle, turtle, turtle. Alright, he's safe now.
You want your boot putting down? Your boot is open. No problem. I don't want you to have an engine light come on, that's what it'll say. So, you're good to go.
You need help?
Yeah, my husband's coming. I'm 2 blocks away. My car just happened to die at the stoplight.
Oh, okay. You want me to push you off over here just so you're out of the traffic?
If you don't mind. I've never done this before. So
Yeah, that's fine.
Put it in neutral?
Yeah, put it in neutral, and you can just use the brakes to stop yourself if you need, okay?
I appreciate this thing.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Is there a good parking spot, maybe?
I'll just wait right here because it's hard. The wheel is locking up on me now, and then all of a sudden, look at us.
Okay, is it good now?
You are like a saint. Thank you.
You doing all right today? I don't know if you would want some of this.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Here's some soup. I even got some utensils. Ooh, peanut butter and bread. Of course, the water, brother. No problem. Take care of yourself.
Like, that surprised me. Yeah, it did. Like, I'm feeling great now. Woo, woo, woo, woo.
Hello there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'm actually not going to order anything. I was just wondering if I could talk to a manager.
Sure.
Alrighty. Hi, you the manager? Happy Boss's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you have a great day. Good. I was wondering if I could talk to the manager.
That's what you mean. Can I help you?
Happy Boss's Day.
Oh, thank you.
Not a problem. I hope you have a good day.
You do as well. Thank you.
Hi, so I didn't order anything. I just want to talk to a manager real quick. This is for you. Happy Boss's Day.
Oh,
What's up?
Have a great day.